Grade 12s, I'm introducing Mechanical Assembly 3, where we have the orthographic views of each of the parts of a tension pulley assembly that's been given to you, as well as the exploded isometric drawing. And parts of the tension pulley assembly showing the position of each part relative to each other. So I want to show you the front view of that specific exploded view that you see there, and I'm going to encircle that. This exploded isometric view shows how the different components in the part list will be assembled. So you need to carefully pay attention to how each of these lines will be connected and how they fit together. I want to introduce the different parts according to the part list. So we first have part number 1 is the housing, and we're going to find that housing, which is going to be right over there, and I'm going to encircle that. You will find the front view, the top view, and your left view of your housing unit there. And then we have our fork. Please highlight it as I'm highlighting it and encircle the different components. So your fork you're going to find just below your housing component, and there you will find the front view and the top view of your fork. And then we have our pin. That is our third component of mild steel, and you're going to find that pin right over there. Our fourth component is a spring, and I'm highlighting the spring there, and I will encircle that spring component there, the front view and the top view. Then I go on to component number 5, which is going to be your M12 bolt, and we're going to have your M12 bolt right here. And we are going to go and look at component number 6, which is your bush, and that bush we're going to find just above the bolt, which is going to be there. Then we have 7, our pulley made of cast iron, and our pulley we're going to find right there. I've encircled that as well. And then number 8, according to our part list, is going to be the washer made of mild steel as well. And then we are going to lastly find our M12 nut that you will see there, that will be screwed onto your M12 bolt. So those are the different components that we see in our assembly drawing, which we are going to use to complete 3 different views according to our instruction, and look at what the instructions request of us. We need to draw to a scale of 1:1, and in third orthographic projection the following views of the assembled parts of the tension pulley. You need to draw a front view, and I want to highlight which parts will be part of the front view. Let's look at that. So all those that I've marked in pink will be part of your front view, and please take note that the front view is seen from the direction of the arrow that we have here in your exploded view. Let's look at our half sectional top view and highlight that in a different color. So the blue indicates that those are the components seen from the top view, and just keep in mind that it's a half section, and the half section of the cutting plane A, which basically means that you need to show the front half in section in accordance with the cutting plane that is shown on the left view of the housing. And you are going to find that cutting plane right here, going from that section there right down and going to cut out that part over there, and that needs to be shown. Of course, this in purple here indicates that that is going to be part of my left view, which I need to draw right here. And just to mark the different colors as well, that's going to be my front view there, and then I'm going to have my blue as my half section top view. Take note of the following, learners. that planning is very essential in terms of space, that you will fit 3 different views in that designated space, that all drawings need to comply with the guidelines contained in the SANS 10111. The convention of the symmetry symbol may not be applied, so you won't be able to draw only half of the top view. The spring, which is part 4, must be drawn in convention and in neat freehand. Then of course, learners, you need to show the 3 faces of the M12 nut in the top view only, and then you need to add the cutting plane AA, and then no hidden detail is required. Let's start this drawing by doing your front view first, and then your top view, and then we move on to our left view.